North Macedonia, a landlocked nation, home to rugged mountains, sparkling lakes, and hidden within a true natural wonder, Matka Canyon, a breathtaking spectacle. A must-visit for any traveller, the canyon, a testament to nature's artistry, carved by the Treska River over millennia. Towering cliffs reflected in emerald waters, a symphony of colours, a sanctuary for the soul. Matka Canyon, a place of legends and history. Ancient monasteries perched precariously on cliffs, whispering tales of times gone by. A destination that captures the imagination. Journey with us as we delve into the heart of Matka Canyon. Discover its secrets, its magic, its unforgettable beauty. An experience that will stay with you long after you've left. Imagine sheer cliffs rising majestically from the water, composed of limestone, sculpted by time and elements, shades of ochre, amber and gold illuminated by the sun. The Treska River, a ribbon of emerald winding through the canyon, its waters crystal clear, revealing the riverbed below. Fish darting, sunlight dancing on the surface, lush greenery clinging to the cliffs. Trees reaching for the sky, their roots anchoring them to the rock. A tapestry of green, a stark contrast to the rugged cliffs, the air alive with the sound of nature. Birdsong echoing through the canyon, the gentle rustle of leaves, the refreshing spray of the river, a sensory symphony. Matka Canyon, a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Scenic trails beckon, winding through the forested slopes, offering breathtaking views of the canyon below. Embark on a boat trip. Glide across the emerald waters, explore hidden caves adorned with stalactites and stalagmites. Discover the secrets hidden within the canyon walls. For the adventurous, kayaking awaits. Paddle through the canyon. Feel the spray of the river on your face. Experience the thrill of navigating the waterways. Whether you seek tranquility or adrenaline, Matka Canyon delivers. Explore at your own pace, soak in the beauty. Create memories that will last a lifetime. Section 4, a haven for wildlife. Matka Canyon, a biodiversity hotspot. Home to a remarkable array of flora and fauna. A testament to the canyon's pristine environment. Over 1,000 plant species thrive here, from delicate wildflowers to towering trees. A botanist's paradise, a riot of colours and scents. The canyon, a haven for wildlife. Butterflies flutter, their wings painted with vibrant hues. Birds of prey soar overhead, their keen eyes scanning the landscape. In the waters, fish shimmer, a kaleidoscope of colours. The endemic Matka trout, a testament to the canyon's unique ecosystem. A delicate balance of life preserved for generations to come. Section 5, spiritual sanctuaries. Within the embrace of the cliffs, ancient monasteries stand watch. Their stone walls whispering stories of faith and solitude, a testament to the canyon's spiritual significance. The monastery of St. Andrew, perched precariously on a cliff edge, its frescoes, centuries old, depicting biblical scenes, a glimpse into the past, a place of peace and reflection. The Matka Church, dedicated to the Holy Mother of God, its bell tower, a beacon against the rock face, a place of pilgrimage where faith and nature intertwine. These monasteries, a testament to human resilience and devotion, a reminder that even in the most rugged landscapes, spirituality finds a home. Section 6, Matka Canyon, an unforgettable journey. Matka Canyon, a destination that stays with you, a place where natural beauty and human history collide. A sensory experience, an adventure for the soul. Whether you seek tranquility or adventure, Matka Canyon delivers. Hike through its forests, explore its caves, marvel at its wildlife. Feel the mist of the waterfalls on your face, listen to the echoes of the past. Let the beauty of Matka Canyon wash over you. A journey to Matka Canyon is a journey to remember, a testament to the power of nature, the allure of history, and the spirit of adventure.